All right, and welcome back to my third video on this channel. This is going to be another sneaker unboxing. Today is a pair of Adidas. I'll get them out of the box quickly. They released today. It's the Deerupt Runner. So I've gone for the red colourway. It was really tricky to pick for me because I was only going to get one between the red colourway and the all white. I think that I might go and cop the all white later, but the funds are a bit low at the moment, so I've just gone for the red ones. First off, obviously it's a very striking shoe. There's bright colours, you know, you've got the blue, you've got the red, you've got a black piece where the tongue would go there, red, blue, and obviously the black heel tab. It's all red on the inside of the shoe also. So it's got this mesh overlay, I guess you'd say, around the upper. Underneath is a fabric. It's quite stretchy, but it's nowhere near the same stretch as a prime knit. This boot is quite tricky to get your feet in. I've gone true to size with size 9, UK size 9, and it does fit and it's very, very comfortable, but it is tricky to get that on. It's not like an NMD, it's not super stretchy, so it's quite a hard collar to fit on. But it is a very, very comfy shoe, and for £80 I'm not sure that there's many similar comfort wise. I will do like a review after a week, I think, of wearing these, or a couple of weeks, because I'll be interested to see what is more comfortable, the New Balance 574 Sport Fresh Foams, because they're very similar price to these, but obviously the Fresh Foam is more of a Boost rival than the Deerupt Runner's rival. One very, very good part about the Deerupt Runner is the insole. It's an ultralight insole, but if you can see there that there's these extra padded sections, and I think that's what gives a large majority of the comfort in this sneaker, because it is, like I said, a very, very comfortable sneaker. Obviously I only picked them up today, so I haven't worn them out yet. I've only worn them around the house a little bit just to make sure, obviously, that they fit, and so I had a little idea of the comfort before obviously making this video. But I think for £80 you're not going to get really anything like this. It's a very unique shoe. You've got the netting goes all the way down onto the outsole. It's even on the bottom there. But yeah, I think obviously Air Max Day is coming up soon, so there's a lot of drops coming soon. Hopefully I get to cop some of them. I'm looking at them Sean Witherspoons. But I think that these are just going to be a perfect summertime sneaker, because yeah, they're going to be tricky to clean with the mesh, but they are £80, like I said. When you've got trainers hitting nearly £200 like nowadays, £80 is a bargain, really. And for something with this level of comfort that I've felt so far at that price point, I think that these are going to be really popular. I've seen some of the colours that are coming out in the future, and there's some more muted colours, and I think that they'll be really popular, same as the all whites. That's another reason why I didn't want to go for the all whites, because I think that they're going to be the most popular colour. But yeah, here's some on feet. Just just a quick little unboxing and quick on feet. Like I said, I will do a review and maybe compare them to the 574 Sports after I've worn them for a week. It'll give me a better idea on the shoe, but if I'm honest, I just think it's a really sick sneaker. It just pops. It looks so cool. That whole outfit is going to revolve around this, and from what I've felt so far, it seems like really comfortable. So yeah, I think for a sneaker under $100 or £100, it's one of the best ones you can buy. It's really cool. It's going to stand out. A lot of people aren't going to notice Adidas though. That's the only thing. I was thinking about this earlier. It's not got the big 3 stripes. The only branding you've got is on the inside here, where it says Adidas there. But even then, you have to look for it. You can't accidentally see that. You've got to be looking for it. But I just think that especially this colorway, it's so loud. It's really going to draw attention to it, and yeah, I think you should go out and copy it, if I'm honest. But I will obviously give you that video soon. I will hopefully be copying something over the weekend, hopefully getting a pair of them Sean 97s, but we'll have to see. You know, you've got to be lucky to get some of them. So yeah, stick around, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. I will be obviously making more videos in future. I'm really enjoying it, so yeah, see you next time.